If you've ever wanted to make money online but felt stuck on where to start, this is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 websites you can launch right now to start earning. Each one offers unique potential, actionable steps to launch, and tips to grow. And no, you don't need a tech degree, a huge budget, or years of experience. Just an idea, a willingness to put in the work, and the right strategy. Let's get right into it. First up, we have e-commerce. And before you say, "But I don't have products to sell," trust me, you don't need them. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even drop-shipped items, meaning you don't handle inventory at all. Companies like Shopify and WooCommerce make this ridiculously easy. The key? Find a niche. Instead of just selling jewelry, why not sell minimalist gold jewelry for career women? The more specific, the better. 2 ways to do this without hassle. 1. Print on demand. Sell custom merch, shirts, mugs, phone cases, without ever handling inventory. Companies like Printful and Teespring do all the work, you just collect the profit. 2. Dropshipping. Sell trending products without ever buying stock. You list items in your store, and when someone orders, your supplier ships it directly to them. No upfront inventory costs. How do you make money? 1. Product sales. Your profit comes from the markup. You only pay the supplier after a customer buys. 2. Upsells and bundles. Increase average order value with add-ons. How to start today. 1. Pick a niche, fitness gear, pet accessories, aesthetic home decor. 2. Choose a platform, Shopify for ease, WooCommerce for flexibility. 3. Use a print-on-demand or drop-shipping supplier. 4. Drive traffic with Instagram or Pinterest. AI tools to use. Shopify's AI product description generator. Instantly generate compelling product descriptions. ChatGPT. Craft engaging product pages and social media captions. Canva. Design high-quality product images and promotional content. Ad Creative AI. Generate high-converting ad creatives for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Once your store is up, focus on marketing. Social media and SEO will be your best friends. And don't overcomplicate the process. Start small, test, and scale up. Long-term potential? E-commerce can scale to 6 or 7 figures, especially if you build a strong brand. Now, if you love writing and want to build something that makes money on autopilot, let's talk about blogging. I know what you're thinking. Is blogging even profitable anymore? Yes, when done right. The secret is choosing the right niche. Personal finance, health, travel, and tech are huge. Here's the roadmap. First, let's talk profitable blog niches. Personal finance. Think budgeting, investing, side hustles. Health and wellness. Think fitness, nutrition, mental health. Tech reviews. Think gadgets, software, AI tools. Luxury travel and experiences. Think high-end destinations, luxury hotels, travel hacks. Home and DIY. Think interior design, home renovation, minimalism. How do you make money? Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions when people buy products you recommend. Ad revenue. Sign up for Google AdSense or Mediavine and get paid per view or per click. Sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to talk about their products. Sell digital products, ebooks, templates, or exclusive guides related to your niche. How to start today. 1. Pick a niche you actually enjoy, because you'll be creating content consistently. 2. Buy a domain and set up a WordPress site. Self-hosted blogs give you full control. 3. Write at least 5 high-value blog posts before launching. ChatGPT can help you with this. 4. Sign up for an affiliate program related to your niche and link relevant products in your posts. 5. Use social media and SEO to drive traffic. Remember to write content that solves problems. Think, how to save $10,000 in a year or best skincare routine for acne-prone skin. And SEO is key. A blog post that ranks on Google can bring in passive income for years. AI tools to use. Surfer SEO helps optimize blog posts for search engines. Jasper AI, AI-powered writing assistant for high-quality blog content. Grammarly ensures error-free, engaging writing. Canva Create blog graphics and Pinterest images for extra traffic. Long-term potential? Massive. Once a blog gains traction, it can make $1,000 to $50,000 plus per month in passive income. Next, let's talk about something that can make you a lot of money: freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to start making money online because you're offering something valuable that people already need. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, you can get paid for it. You can create your own freelance portfolio website to attract premium clients. Here are some in-demand services you can offer: freelance writing and content creation, social media management, web design and development, brand strategy and consulting, SEO and marketing services. How do you make money? 1. Direct client work. People pay you for your expertise. 2. Premium packages, bundle services to increase value. 3. Retainers, recurring monthly clients equals stable income. How to start today? 1. Pick a service you can confidently offer. 2. Build a simple website with clear pricing and service packages. 3. Use LinkedIn and Instagram to attract clients. 4. Offer an intro deal to get first clients fast. And don't forget social proof. Even if you're new, create mock projects to showcase your skills. If you can position yourself as an expert, clients will come to you. AI tools to use. Durable AI builds an entire freelance website in minutes. Framer AI helps create stunning portfolio sites quickly. Copied AI write compelling service pages and client proposals. Loca AI logo generator to create a professional brand. Long-term potential? With the right positioning, service-based businesses can scale to $10,000 plus per month. The fourth website is an authority website that can turn expertise into cash. An authority website is like a blog, but instead of personal content, it's built to rank on Google and bring in serious traffic. Think of it like an evergreen online magazine. People land on it while searching for answers, and you make money from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Best authority website niches. 1. Tech and software, review software tools, apps, or emerging tech trends. 2. Finance and investing, cover topics like crypto, stock markets, or financial freedom. 3. Career and business growth, give resume tips, job search strategies, or freelancing hacks. 4. Health and wellness, in-depth guides on weight loss, fitness routines, or holistic living. How do you make money? 1. Display ads, passive revenue from ad networks like Mediavine or AdThrive. 2. Affiliate links, get paid every time someone buys through your recommendations. 3. Digital products, sell exclusive research, reports, or guides. How to start today? 1. Choose a niche with long-term demand. 2. Set up a professional-looking website. 3. Research SEO and create evergreen articles that answer common Google searches. 4. Monetize with ads and affiliate programs once traffic builds. AI tools to use. Jasper AI, generate high-quality blog posts, product reviews, and long-form content. SEMrush, track rankings, analyze backlinks, and improve search engine visibility. Canva, create stunning graphics, blog banners, and infographics. ConvertKit, AI-assisted email marketing for nurturing your audience. Synthesia, AI-generated video tutorials without needing to be on camera. Long-term potential? Authority websites can bring in $5,000 to $50,000 plus per month once they gain traction. This last one? Pure passive income. Why sell something once when you can get paid every month? A membership website gives people exclusive content, think private communities, templates, courses, or premium articles, for a monthly fee. Here are some popular membership ideas. 1. Exclusive content, paid newsletters, behind-the-scenes access, or premium blog posts. 2. Business or personal development communities, think Netflix for entrepreneurs, but with monthly workshops, templates, or coaching calls. 3. Ongoing digital products, a new workbook, template, or stock photo pack every month. 4. Niche hobby clubs, a subscription-based knitting club, a private travel mastermind. Yes, people pay for these. How do you make money? 1. Monthly subscriptions. Members pay a set fee for exclusive access. 2. Upsells and tiers. Offer VIP options for higher value content. 3. Affiliate commissions. Include product recommendations within the community. How to start today. 1. Choose your niche, fitness challenges, stock market insights, business coaching. 2. Set up a membership platform, Podia, Teachable, or Mighty Networks. 3. Offer killer value upfront. People need a reason to subscribe. 4. Promote your membership on social media and through an email list. You can build this on WordPress with MemberPress, or use platforms like Patreon or Substack. The trick? Make it so valuable that people never want to leave. Regular updates, bonus perks, and an engaged community will keep your members hooked. AI tools to use. Podia, all-in-one platform for selling memberships and digital products. Circle, build and manage a community around your membership. Kajabi AI, automate content delivery and customer interactions. Notion AI, organize exclusive content and create premium resources. Long-term potential? Once you hit 500 plus members at $20 per month, that's $10,000 per month in recurring revenue. So those are 5 money-making websites you can start today. You don't need permission to start. You don't need perfect timing. The key is to just start. Pick one, commit, and take action. Which idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I have even more online money-making strategies coming your way. Want more step-by-step guides? Check out my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one.